there, my name is Kelly Dale with Off the Beaded Path, and this is your Must Know Monday for Monday, December the 3rd, 2018. So today is going to be a quick video because we're going to talk about diamonds, diamond shapes to be exact. Right now, there's a lot of different shapes on the market that call themselves a diamond bead. So we're going to look at those three beads and the shapes that those beads actually are and the differences to them. So let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first diamonds marketed as a two-hole bead was the diamond duo bead. Now these beads have a flat bottom, as you can see here. They have two holes, but the top has a dimension to it, and it almost comes to a point here in the center. So you can see kind of that dimension on this photograph. We used to carry diamond duos, but they come in so many different colors of a different brand that we carry the different brand. These are an 8x5 bead. The other brand of diamond is a gem duo bead. Now this is marketed as a diamond as well. It has two holes, but you can see it doesn't come to that point in both corners. It just comes to one little flat dome there on the top. It's the same size. It's an 8x5 and it has two holes, and you can see it comes in these cool backlit colors. Well, if I can get one on my finger here. It comes in backlit colors, so the backing is silver and then the bead itself is clear, so it really makes that backing pop on your bead. Now again, you can see it's two holes and it has the flat top. So unlike the diamond duo that has, comes to that point in the center, these have the flat tops to them. Now, the third diamond on the market is called a CzechMate diamond bead. Now, this is a flat bead with two holes in a diamond shape. So let me show you those. These are the CzechMate diamond beads. These are, you can see they're flat beads with the two holes, but they are in a diamond shape. So these, the gem duos, and the diamond duos all have a diamond shape and use similar names. So always be careful, when you are purchasing a quote-unquote diamond bead because of the shape similarities. So I hope you learned the differences in the diamond duo, the gem duo, and the CzechMate diamond bead. And as I said, just be careful when you purchase beads that it calls for a diamond. Make sure you know which kind of diamond you're looking for. So I hope you have a great day and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.